man. So, hot drinks. Very important things to be able to do when you're out camping in a little stove. So come closer and I'll show you my favorite Trangia stove. Mostly because you can refill with methyl hydrate, which is like a high burning alcohol. A lot safer than white gas, as far as I'm aware. But I am no scientist. But I am a gnome that's all about not using those stove canisters. That's another story. Lights leaving you and the mosquitoes are out. You want a hot drink. So I poured the meth hydrate in there. It's just this little container that holds it. This is the Trangia one person stove, and these are to stop the fire, but I'm doing in a fire pit just to keep things safe and hopefully damage as little life as absolutely possible. And I have liquid ready to heat up, so you can use a fire starter or whatever it is, and sometimes if there's a little spill, there's some burning around, but it's very clear that it's on and burning, and it's as simple as that. And it's so lightweight. I've traveled like 2 months backpacking in New Zealand recently with just this guy, and a big canister of refuel, and it's brilliant. So hot drinks, make them.
Hot drinks. Hot drinks.
Hot drinks.